Time now to take a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Hope you all had a great Mother's Day weekend, especially moms on Sunday. Weather not terrible over the weekend, a little breezy both days, some showers. In fact, good showers up in Leavenworth yesterday. But all in all, not a terrible Mother's Day weekend. We had kind of the same weather type today. Here's our Stein Hill Tower camera, and you can just see sprinkles falling this afternoon as we look up valley from Wenatchee. And there were a few of those scattered showers around the area today. A little breezy in spots, but all in all, not too bad a day. As we get you into Tuesday, we're going to see a lot of the same weather that we had today. We'll see some clouds on Tuesday. The good news, temperatures will climb a little bit on Tuesday before going back down as we get you into Wednesday. In fact, that Saturday, this is showing all the moisture possibilities we have throughout our forecast period. So a chance for showers Tuesday, and then another chance as we get into Saturday, and we'll talk about that coming up in a little bit. Unofficially today, high temperature slightly below normal at 68 degrees. Our normal now at 71. Our record high, a hot one for May 12th, 98 degrees, and that was set back in 1993. 45 our low this morning, a few degrees below our normal of 48, and our record low 32 set in 1985. Sunrise 5:27 now, and the sun sets almost at 8:30 at 8:28. All right, looking at those Tuesday temperatures, I mentioned it, a slight warm up tomorrow, 70s for Moses Lake and Ephrata, Quincy and Wenatchee, the warm spots tomorrow at 71 degrees. All of us pretty much in the upper 60s to near 70. The exception, Lake Wenatchee tomorrow with a high temperature of 67 degrees. Tonight, we can expect partly cloudy skies, some breezy conditions that will continue for many locations, but not bad overnight. It will be mild too, with lows near about 50 degrees for us. As we get into Tuesday, we talked about a bit of a warm up. We'll see partly cloudy skies. High pressure out in the Pacific will bring those breezy conditions as well right here into central Washington. We'll warm up into the low 70s for almost all of us tomorrow, upper 60s to low 70s. And then as we get you into midweek Wednesday, I think this will be our windiest day. Partly cloudy skies, and look at all of that red. That indicates some pretty hefty wind, and we'll see that Wednesday afternoon. A little bit cooler with the breeze as well, with high temperatures Wednesday into the mid 60s. And then as we get into the end of our week on Thursday, mostly cloudy skies. A ridge begins to nose into the Pacific Northwest once again. It'll be an okay day for Thursday with high temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, so slightly below normal. Getting into Friday, the end of our work week, mostly sunny skies for almost all of north central Washington for Friday. Really not a bad day with high temperatures, a lot like Thursday, mid to upper 60s on Friday afternoon. And then for your upcoming weekend on Saturday, partly cloudy, and yeah, we're going to see at least a 30% chance of showers as we get into Saturday afternoon, maybe even some thunderstorms into eastern Washington for Saturday. High temperatures then into the upper 60s, and by the time we get to the end of our forecast on Sunday, partly cloudy, and yeah, those breezes return once again at the end of our weekend. Temperature-wise, though, not bad, with highs right around 70 degrees. Here's your 7-day forecast now. 49 overnight tonight. Carbon copy days, Tuesday and Wednesday, partly cloudy and breezy/windy, especially for Wednesday. 71 Tuesday, 66 on Wednesday, 67s for Thursday and Friday, and then kind of a mixed bag this weekend. A rainy Saturday is possible and 68 with breezes expected on Sunday with a high temperature then of 69 degrees. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.